Alright, so I picked up a power supply off Amazon. It's the QJPS 30 switching SWI. Anyway, it comes with this auxiliary plug here. I don't like that one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace it with one kind of like this. This one here has the volts on there, and it's also got a switch. I don't want the switch, and I don't need the volts on there. So what I'm going to do is replace it with another one. But to do that, I have taken the screws out and unplugged the negative, and I'm going to do the positive now. I've already loosened it up a little bit. Unscrew that and then replace it with one like this, but not as fancy as this one. I just want to be able to charge my cell phone and any USB device or whatever I want to plug into it. I got power poles back here in the back, and I don't really need the cigarette lighter plug in there. So that's what I'm about to do. Alright, so got my outlet in. Wanted one without a button on it. When I was looking at this on Amazon, never noticed that button on it. But anyway, so I'm gonna take this one out. Put this nice cell phone charger in. Got the negative wire off. Already loosened this up. Put this right back together because sure I'll use it somewhere else. Always hang on to your scrap and spare parts. So I'm going to have to knock this ring terminal off and put a spade connector on there for that positive there. Oh, great. Looks like I'm going to have to drill it out a little bit. All right. Straight. All right, got it drilled out enough. It's not perfect, but looks pretty cool. Right up to the edge there. Well, after installing the whole thing, it looks good. Problem is it don't work. So I bought a 2-pack. I got 2 of them. I tried this one. It don't work either. I tried one of the other ones that I already had. It works just fine. So I guess I'm gonna send those back to Amazon and just put the one in that I had the first time that I already had. All this time I've been waiting for 2 bad ones. Kind of thought it'd have a light on it, but I guess it really doesn't need a light. I do need to see if it's working. I like to use a stubby so I don't get too torquey on it.